Right, I've got some clamp on, clamp off. Now everybody knows I don't like this machine, it fucking terrifies me. But they're on fucking pretty solid, so it's just a matter of run. This board is not as big as I thought it was, so that's a bit of niceties. All we got to do is put that on there and push it through there like that. Alright? Now even a dumb nut could do that, couldn't he? Even a dumb nut. Ooh, they fucking hate this machine. I gotta be honest, that went quite smoothly. No fingers, no thumbs. So, take that, make do fence. See, I know all the words. When I retired from engineering, I instantly went on to woodwork, because that's what you're supposed to do when you retire. It says in the book, find a hobby. So I thought, oh wow, let's do woodwork, innit? Let's do woodwork. I fucking hate woodwork. It's not for me. Sorry lads, I'm not having no fucking dig at you. I just hate fucking woodwork. Put the sled on. Which way do I go, Rob? Looking at that, it should go that way. No, we don't. You're telling lies. It goes that way. That still works, for fuck's sake. Now we can cut them all to the length, right length we want. I choked your fucking lung out, you bitch. I just don't want to do that. I want to put a block on there. So that fucking thing you was playing with, this thing, should go down there like that, yeah? Okay. So, we gotta put a thing on there. What's that like? No fucking idea. Never seen it before in my life. Wait, there you go. Wedgie. Will I go there? Will I clip onto there? Yes. So we'll saw the end first to get it, make sure it's clean and parallel to the fence. This thing, sled, whatever you. Right, we've got to bring our blade up 15 foot without switching it on. Let me square my end up first, darling. Scared the fucking life out of me. Alright, fly then. Big thing. Scared me to fucking death, but we're gonna let him live, because he ain't fucking done nothing to me. Unless he puts a comment. Come on, write a fucking comment. Right, we're gonna do them all that size, alright? So that slides in there now with that block. That block is fucking tight. Let's go to town. Plus I've started throwing bits of wood, and this is one thing I mustn't do, is throw bits of fucking wood everywhere. I'm going to cut a step in there so this one literally fits on it. I think it's called whatever you want to call it, but it's one of them anyway. This I'll tell you what it's called now. Give me a minute. More gluing area, isn't it? You know, it's a more gluing area type thing. I'm quite happy because we're fucking doing it. You and me, we're fucking doing it. Right, I'd say about there, Rob. Rob's saying about there, make sure you lock that blade in, otherwise it's got, because it's vibrating, it's got a habit of dropping. You know what I mean? Something like that. Right, let's go for that. If they're all the same, it doesn't make no fucking difference. It's just a matter of making sure they're the same. And make sure now you do it on the right side, because this is smooth on that side and there's a pattern in there. I want to put the pattern on the inside so it tends to choke, grip the sand a bit better. So we're just going to zizz that and see what happens. Right, that's going to go there. That's going to go there. And they're going to go there and there. There and there. There and there. So it'll help hold it square. Now, of course, it matters that these are perfectly flat. You know why? As I told you before. I won't tell you no more, because there's another box that goes on top in there like that. Identikits, right? So we're gonna make I was gonna say, if you could put that there then without that falling over, it would have been a miracle. That's going to be all screwed in there like that. We need one of them chiselly type things. I don't know what they call them. Whatever it does, it does. Okay, I know what it does. It fucking hell. It's it's a long day for me. It makes sure these go on exactly as they come off. So when you go like that, it'll go back on exactly where they come off. So I saw one of them chiselly things. I don't know where I fucking threw it though. Here's one. One of them big screwdrivery things. I was joking if it would have been sharp, I don't know. It'll do, it'll fucking do. It's not bad actually. I must have been pretty good when I was a carpenter. If I was a carpenter, you were a lady, would you marry me any old hour? Would you have my baby? Wow. Fucking hell. Damage on it. Like a compensation if it damages things. Do you fuck. So we want to make one of them things now. So you need two of them. Which is 4. Oh, you bastard. I'm going to give it one click. Which is 1, 2, 3, about 5, whatever that is. Whatever that fucking means. I could be absolutely totally fucking crazy, but if you're with me, you're with me. So there goes like that on the bottom box, and then the top box got this on, which should fit down in there, and put that box exactly in the same position every fucking time. I'm a carpenter. It's the first time I've showed anybody my hole. Nandu. I did that further at that end. I'm going to do this one further than this end, so it'll only go on here one way. It's a bit of a pain, but I get there slowly but surely. I get there. Right, carpenters of the world, how would you have done it? Did I do it right? Did I do it right, boy? Or did I do it wrong? So, what I've learned so far, it's not a fucking lot. Now that shouldn't go on that way. Okay, it shouldn't go on that way. Right, don't go on that way, see? So you know it'll only go on one way, which is that way. But while you're at it, just wipe that glue away, otherwise you won't be able to fucking open it at all tomorrow. Go. There you go. So this will only go on one way. We agreed, which is not that way. It'll only go on that way. I think that maybe is too high. That's 4 inches. I might be wrong, but. The thing is, these people, these wonderful people, they don't tell you. They don't tell you what they're fucking doing, actually. They just, like, carry on. And the amount of people... The amount of people who don't actually now talk on their videos is getting obviously more and more and more, because people are shy. And they don't want to... Perhaps they talk, well, this is the way I do it, you know, and then all you've got to do is like screw a screw in there. Well, if you talk like that, fair enough, you don't have to talk. I'm making the sand next, which is, they call it green sand, cat litter and play sand. Nothing special. Easy to find. I will tell you, if I can, how much of this, how much of that. Give us one of them. Go on, give us one of them. I dare you.